Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the fan speed for your Mitsubishi air conditioner. So here I've got the remote control. To change the fan speed, you slide this cover down and there is this button right here, say fan. So you would continue to press on it to change the speed. At the moment you can see the speed is set to number 1. Continue to press on it to move to the next speed, number 2, and press it again to go to number 3, then number 4. Now if you do not feel the fan have a strong speed when it is set to number 4, now this can happen when you just turn on the aircon unit, so you may want to wait for a while before the aircon is ready for use. Now if I'm going to choose the mode over to just fan only, you can hear the fan will come out quite strong. And if I switch the mode to aircon, it may take some time for the aircon to get ready. Now if you continue to press on the fan button, you should see this icon like a round circle cyclone icon. Now that is an automatic icon, so the fan speed will automatically adjust according to the sensor that it reads in your room. And if you press it again, it will go back to a quiet mode, and then again you can continue to press on that to go back to speed 1, and so on. So you just keep pressing on the fan button and it will cycle through all the different speed available for you to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.